Hello KG1s, this is your phonics lesson, week 5, term 3. Now just before you sit down with your work, you need to have your color pencils. There should be a pack of color pencils and there should be an eraser, and you should be having your a sharpened tracing pencil. Now we are going to do a new letter today, and the letter for this week is Y, and the sound that it makes is Y. We're going to say the sounds and the word. So let's say it together. Je, jaune. Je, yo-yo. Je, yellow. Je, yacht. So let's say it one more time. This is Y, and the sound for Y is Je. Je for yawn. Je, yo-yo. Je, yellow. Your yacht. This week we'll be doing pages 61 to 65. Now we turn our page very carefully and we go to the next page, and we can see a big yacht on this page. Can you all see this? Yes. So let's again revise. This is Y, and the sound for Y is J. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to be tracing J. Now you put your pencil on the big magic dot and the arrow is pointing downwards. So we start from the big magic dot and we go down, following all the dots one by one, and stop. We lift our pencil from the paper and we go to the other line, and the arrow, we have an arrow next to it. So it is also pointing downwards. So we will start again. We will make the tail by starting from here, joining all the dots one by one, very carefully and slowly, and we stop here. Once again, I'll show you how to trace here. We're going to start from the big magic dot. We are going to go down, following all the dots one by one, stop here, lift our pencil and go to the other line and start where the arrow is. We will go down one by one, and if you make a mistake you can use an eraser, but try not to use the eraser too much. Once again, we will start from the big magic dot. We'll join all the dots one by one and stop. Lift our pencil and go to the other line and keep joining the dots and go down and stop. Here it says that find the Y sound and color them brown. Now you have to find the Y sound in the yacht, and you have to just color the Y sound. You are not going to color the yacht. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to show you 1, and you're going to color the rest. And I'm sure you are super intelligent kids. You're not going to color the yacht. You're just going to color the Y sound very carefully, coloring within the lines. Please do not go outside the Y sound. Okay. Now going to the next page, page number 63, we can see there's a picture of a yo-yo. Again, this is letter Y, and the sound for Y is Y. As I've shown you previously how to make Y sound, I will just once again repeat it for you. You will start from the big magic dot. You will go down as the point of the arrow, and we keep joining all the dots very slowly and carefully, not going outside the dots. Then again, we start from the other line, we go to this line, and we again start from the top. We keep joining all the dots and we go down and we stop here. I'll show you one here too. Once again, we start from the big magic dot, keep joining all the dots carefully, stop. Then we make the other line. We start from the arrow, stay on the dots, keep following them one by one, and we stop. So this is how we're going to do all the Y sound here. We're going to trace them. And then after we are done with the tracing, we are going to color the yo-yo. You can color the yo-yo any color you like. And then we go to the other big line. We start from the dot. Keep joining all the dots very carefully. Go down and stop. So this is how I finished. I just wanted to show it to you. I finished coloring in my yo-yo. And I just wanted you to show it to you that the colors should not be going outside the picture. You need to keep the colors within the lines. Once you're done with this page, page number 63, we go to the next page, that is page number 64. And we are again going to do the letter Y, and the sound for Y is J. I'm just going to show it to you how we're going to trace it one more time. We start from the big magic dot here. The arrow says to go down and we keep joining all the dots. Stop here. Then we make the other line. We start from the arrow and we keep joining all the dots. Go down and we stop. Here the activity is circle the pictures that start with J. Now this is a picture of a web. Web. So we are not going to circle the web because it does not start with Y. What about yawn? Yes, that starts with J, yawn. So we are going to circle this picture. And the picture next to it is, the color is yellow. J, yellow. So we are going to circle the color yellow. And the next one is a vet. Vet. We are not going to circle this because this starts with V. And this is a picture of an X-ray. We are not going to circle this either because this starts with X. X, the sound X. So I'll show you once we have finished circling. We do our tracing. We keep joining the dots. Go down and then make the other line. We lift our pencil and go to the other side and keep joining all the dots very, very carefully, going down till the end and stop here. And that's how you're going to keep doing these two also and finish the page nicely. Finished with page number 64. You finished your tracing and your circling. Then we go to the next page. We turn our pages very carefully and we go to page number 65. Here we have to circle the correct sound. We are going to trace from the top. We always start from the top. We make the small line, lift our pencil, go to the other line, start and join, keep joining the dots and go till the end and stop. You have to circle the correct sound. Now this is a picture of a yacht. Is it X yacht or Y yacht? Here yacht. So we will circle here. This is a Q. Q or Q? Qu for Q. This is a picture of an umbrella. Is it T umbrella or A umbrella? A umbrella. So we will circle A. We are not going to circle both the options. We just have to circle one. And this is a picture of the yo-yo. We're going to circle J for yo-yo. Now we go to the last page for the letter Y. Here we have to match the pictures, these pictures, to the sound it begins with. These are the sounds. Now we will match J, yellow, with Y by making a straight line. R, rat. And S for sun. We have to make nice and straight lines. And then we have to trace our Y sound at the bottom. We start from the big magic dot. We keep joining all the dots. Stop here. Lift your pencil and go to the other line. Keep joining and keep following one dot after the other and stop at the end. Once again, we start from the magic dot, keep joining and keep following the dots one by one. Stop here, lift your pencil, go to the